Dumpster rental service in Flower Mound, Texas. Simplify your cleanup process with Insta-Dump, your trusted dumpster rental service in Flower Mound, Texas. Whether tackling a home renovation, a garage cleanout, or a landscaping project, we've got you covered. At Insta-Dump, we make managing waste simple, fast, and convenient. Our team is dedicated to providing a reliable dumpster rental service designed to handle jobs of any size. From small projects to large-scale cleanups, we're here to help you every step of the way. We know time is essential to you, so we focus on fast delivery and pickup. When you schedule a dumpster with Insta-Dump, we ensure it's there precisely when you need it and placed right where you want it, no hassle or stress. And don't worry about the details. Our team provides expert advice to ensure you get the right dumpster for your project. We make cleanup stress-free by offering flexible rental terms and upfront pricing, so there are no surprises. Ready to get started? With Insta-Dump, you're choosing a dumpster rental service that prioritizes your needs. From easy scheduling to affordable pricing, we've thought of everything so you can focus on what matters most, completing your project. Call us today at 940-231-6399 to book your dumpster now. Make your next cleanup a breeze by choosing Insta-Dump, your trusted partner for dumpster rental service in Flower Mound, Texas.